everyone. Good morning. This is a quick one. It's a morning one. Just wanted to share this little surprise. KZ Castor. I actually ordered the regular version, Harman tuned version, and by accident they sent me the black Bassy version. So, what the hell? Playing around with it. It's it deserves a video because it's actually a shit ton of fun. Best implementation in a Bassy 2 dynamic set, one 10 mil, one 8 mil. Now, it's not the this tuning is hugely sub bassed, and it's typically not my favorite where the mid bass gets scooped out. But you can't help but having a big shit-eating grin on your face when you're listening to music. And the other part of that is it's just not a one-trick pony. The 8mm actually, for highs and mids, sounds good. Vocals sound great. Wasn't for me 100% out of the box. There is the Castor. I thought it was black, but it's actually like a very dark metal kind of looking thing. I'll show you the nozzle. So what I did is I simply put a 500 level filter on this nozzle on the front. I'm also using, why not, a big wide open bore Osla crystal tip, which probably costs more than the actual IM. I think these are $14.99. Pretty hard to go wrong. I'm not showing you any of the other stuff in the box because I never use it. They stay there. I'm using a Hakugi Lucky Voice cable. Sounds great. Not recommended. They fail. But I got these ones because they're modular and easy for me to swap out. Anyway, enough about that. Let's talk about more about this KZ Castor. When I put the little filter on the nozzle, it knocked down some of that splashiness, and I'll show you the graph, the curve from the original, and then my retune, and it just knocked it down just a little bit. That though the highs could keep up, I think that's why they did it on their tuning. It just sounded a bit splashy in the top end. And when I put that filter on, fixed everything for me. Love the way it sounds. This is unbroken in, really. I took it out of the box, and normally I do a first listen, but I did like an 8-hour listening session last night, and I woke up this morning and was like, I got to do a video about that. So, still waiting to get a response back from KZ about the one they should have shipped me, but no big deal. But I'll do a video. It'll be an interesting. I'll do a video between that one and this one when I get that one in. But for now, I just wanted to bring this little guy to your attention. Really, for $15, sounds good. A lot of fun. I should have also mentioned the Evil 4 tuning switches on here as well. So I've been playing around with this tons. If you can see Squig, you'll see 8 different configurations. 4 of them they recommended, and a couple with the nozzle filter, just to show you the changes. Honestly, in the end, I kind of like it with both bass switches up, 1, 2 up, and 3, 4 down. It's just where you get to a certain area and you take a listen to it for a little bit, and you basically go, yeah, that's the configuration I like, and leave it there. So up, up, down, down. That's where I ended up. Hey, just as a addendum, also, they also sent me the CCA Pianist, and on first listen, I thought that actually sounded pretty good. So that's on the burn rack too. I'm still waiting for a Juzzier Clear to show up whenever. I also have the Tension 1 DSP coming. That's also on its way. So, a bunch of entry level bangers headed our way. Just, I'm on that run again. I call it the Castor Blaster. Stone Deaf Monk. I'm out for now.